Onkar Thorat is a cluster manager and a keyboard teacher at the Fotaro School of Music. He developed an interest in music in his teens and pursued it to develop it further. He has several certifications from Trinity and Gandharva Vidyalaya. He has about 8 years of teaching of an experience in teaching music. And the next instructor, Ms. Ranjana Raja, is again a cluster manager and a music educator at Fotaro School of Music. She started her music journey at the age of 4 and has been teaching music since 9 years. She's done various shows in India and abroad. And I think the activity today is going to be about how to create the cup rhythm, body percussion, basically making music with things that are at home. So, to all the students here, I think you can just move around, get the things, and learn how to create music. So, over to you, Onkar and Ranjana. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Priyanka ma'am. That's really nice of you to introduce yourself. All right. So like ma'am mentioned, my name is Ranjana. I'm going to have her, since she's already spoke about us, I'm going to directly jump into the today's activities for the day. I'm going to keep a very simple expectations, a very easy one, a sasta one. Trust me, no, nothing. Okay. You don't have to give us. The first expectation is I will be glad. I can see 17 participants in this room right now. I'll be glad even if all could turn on their camera, nothing like that. Trust me, that will be the best weekend gift you all are giving to us. Trust me. At least if half of the crowd could, turn on the camera, that would be a super duper bang on, because we would like to see. Thank you, Sneha. Thank you, Sneha, for doing that. Thank you, Sneha. Awesome. Thank you. Oh, Snehi, I can send Seha, Snehi, Tanya. Thank you so much. My God, all the ladies in the house are turning on the camera. Oh, it'll be glad I could have some more. I'm going to give you all 5 seconds, okay? Can I just expect others also to turn on the camera? Because trust me, it's going to be super fun. I need to see along with Onkasa who's doing correctly and everything, because it's all about enjoying this weekend with lovely music. Trust me, I promise you that. All right, so my countdown starts now. 5, 4, my God, 3, I should I say 2.5. अरे एक और जन तो ऑन कर दो, थोड़ा और फीलिंग अच्छा आ जाता है, Wow, thank you, Sunita. You saved my 5 seconds. 2 and 1. Thank you so much, ladies, for obliging this. I'll be glad if the rest also could join in. I know there are a lot of people, might be in their very own comfortable attire. That's absolutely okay. Hum virtual world mein mil rahe hain. That's absolutely fine. Thank you, Pooja. Awesome. Great. So I'm going to ask you a quick question. Y'all can either answer in the chat box, the one, especially those who have not turned on the camera, and the rest as well. Do you understand what is percussion by any chance? Have you heard or come across this word anywhere like before time? If yes, you can put the answer in the chat box. If no, it's absolutely fine. We'll explain you what is that. Any idea? Okay, I can see somebody's typing. Yeah. I can see the expressions. Are there were 6 people who had turned on the camera, no? Now I can see 6, including me.
They are very camera shy, it seems.
I am sure by the end of the time, no, would love to know. Awesome, great. I'll be giving a simple example of percussion, what it is. Then Onkar sir will be coming and taking you all through the activity. Simple, like imagine when I clap, is there a no? Is there a sound coming in? Yes, you all can say a yes by thumbs up like this. If I clap, is there a sound coming in? Okay. If I snap, is there a sound coming in? Okay. Let's suppose, imagine I just have my phone right now. I'm just going to hit my phone a little bit, not much. Is there a sound coming in? Imagine a little bit. So whenever you hit something, whenever you shake something, the sound which is generated is called percussion. Simple. Understood? A very simple language. That's called percussion. So henceforth, if somebody asks you, some big musician or small musician, hey, what's percussion? You can trust me, give this example, and you'll be like, I also know this. So to make this activity a little more further, I'm going to call upon my colleague Onkar sir. Onkar sir, he's going to, make you all do some really, really interesting activity based on this percussion today, and you'll be like surprised. We could have done this also. So Onkar sir, over to you. I have the lovely ladies in the house who have turned on the camera for you. So yes, over to you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Ranjana ma'am. And thank you so much everyone for obliging our request and turning on the camera. So today as we spoke that we are going to create some magic of music with some usual stuff like very common things that we use every day. Okay, every day. Now, what we are going to use, anybody can guess with what, using what you're going to create music. It's a thing, it's a very small thing that we use every day, like every day. You can put it in the chat box. Guess. Very common, very common.
It's a very common one, like Sir said.
Yeah.
Just a guess what it can be.
Okay, I believe they're
Hey,
putting
it's
in the
okay
chat
to give wrong answer.
box.
Nobody's going to give you.
Yeah, yeah,
Nobody's
yeah.
going to judge you. Come on.
There is, please
Point.
understand, there is no wrong answers in music. Okay, there are a number of sub possibilities in music, so there are no wrong answers. So kindly put in. Okay, so what do you think? What we are going to use? Chat box. It is still empty. Speaker. Okay. Anything
Thank you.
else? Speaker. Okay. But we do not use speaker as much as we use other stuff regularly. So without wasting our time, so let me just show you this thing. We are going to use a pen. Okay, just a pen, a very common thing we generally use every day. Yes, so we are going to use pen to create music, to make music. Okay, just a pen, and we will need a desk or a table in front of you. Do you everyone have the table and a pen in front of you with you? And just make sure the pen which you're using is very comfortable. Now for example, I have these two pens, but I'll be using this one because this fits into my hand very nicely. This is little smaller, so it slips sometimes. So make sure that the pen you're using is fitting into your palm very nicely. Okay, so here okay, host, can you uh, give me permission to share my screen? We'll just wait for a second. Okay, not yet.
Yeah, are you?
Yeah, it's done.
Yep.
Sneha ma'am.
Yeah, I've made them the co-host.
Oh, that's awesome. Just let me try. No, it is still showing host disable the participant. Okay. There is my another account. I have joined from.
I'll rename it, sir. I got the thing.
Yes,
Yeah.
as a laptop.
Yeah. Ma'am, you can find Onkar sir as the name. Now you can make that also the co-host.
Yes. Thank you. Okay, here we go. Okay, so the technique we are going to use is called as pen tapping. Very simple, pen tapping. Can anyone do this? I can't do this.
I saw Sneha was trying that, Sneha ma'am, Priyanka ma'am is also trying, Tanya is trying. Awesome.
Yes, very good. So, how to hold? The first thing first, when we are doing pen tapping, how do we hold the pen? So we have to hold the pen in between our thumb and an index finger, and then wrap around the other three fingers. But make sure that holding pen with just two fingers. Other three fingers, we are just wrapping it around, nothing else. Okay, good. Are we cool? You can just show
Yeah.
thumbs up, and then we can go ahead. Okay, awesome. Now, in paint tapping, there are three simple steps that we need to understand, and then we can create a number of music. Okay, so these three steps, the first one is the base. So after holding the pen, what we are going to do is we are going to hit the palm on the table. Sorry, the wrist on the table. Okay, so As you can see on the screen, there are two steps: holding a pen in the air and then just pushing it your wrist down on the table, and you get this sound. Can we all try? Can someone, anyone try unmuting after they unmute themselves?
I think Sneha
Anyone
can go
wants
first.
to?
Yeah, Sneha can go first, maybe.
Okay.
I don't have a table around me, so there's no sound.
Ah, no worries, no
Any
worries.
book around you, by any chance?
Yeah,
Any book?
any book that will also do.
Yeah, at least to just get that sound. Yeah,
Sound.
just
That's
try
it.
tapping on that.
Okay. There's very faint sound.
Very slow.
Yes, yes. No worries, no worries. So I hope everyone has got it. Then the next step is the tap. Very easy. We just have to use the tip of the pen and tap on the table, but without removing the grip. Do not forget this grip. Okay, we are not removing this grip. We are using just same grip, and we're just tapping it on the table. Very easy, correct? Okay, now I would like someone to try this, the second part, the second step.
I think one by one we can try doing that. It's okay. I mean, see, even
Okay.
I'm holding a book right now. You all can just try this.
Yes, yes. Can Snehi try?
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, Sneha has got to call up.
Yes. So what am I supposed to do?
Okay, wake up, wake up. You need to pay attention.
I,
Sorry,
I'm so sorry.
that's being a teacher. Okay, no worries. So we are
I
going to
have a
use
pen.
three steps. Yes, very good. Do you have desk or a table or a book with you?
I have a book. I'll just take a
Yes.
book with
Awesome.
me. Yeah, I have.
Okay, now in pen tapping there are three steps. The first one is the base that we get after hitting the wrist on the table or the book or whatever you have in front of you. Okay, that's the first
Yeah.
step. Then the second one is the tap. Just we are just tapping the pen onto the surface you have. Okay, now
Okay.
can you try this second one? Tap. Awesome. Good job.
Yeah.
Good job.
Thank you.
Now
Thank you.
we are on to the last one. Now this one is slightly tricky because in this step you might lose the grip. So here is the snare, and how we are going to use. We are going to hold the pen and we are going to tap the whole body of the pen. Okay, now we are holding the pen with two fingers, and we are just removing the grip upwards and tapping the whole body of the pen on the table. Okay, getting the snare sound. Now who else can try this? Pooja ma'am, would you like to try?
Pooja ma'am, yeah, I think Pooja Sarode, right? Yeah, ma'am, can you try? Can you unmute and try?
Yes, can you try this, the third step? Just using the whole body of the pen. Can you unmute please? Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, super awesome. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Now, we have got three sounds. The first one is the bass, the second one is tap, and the third one is the snare. Now, who can tell me how many combinations we can make using these three steps? Any number, odd number, even number, odd number, any number. How many combinations can we make using these three steps? in the chat box. Anyone? 9, 9. Okay. Okay. So that's a very logical thing, so that we get 9. But it is not that we have to just use these three numbers only once. Yes, correct. Sneha ma'am, Snake, correct. Countless. Because we can use these numbers any number of times. Okay, it is not just we have to use them only once. Okay, so we
Yes.
get n number of combinations here. Now, before going into the main song and the different rhythms we have, can we just practice? Like, I would like someone to try you know, the fourth exercise. The fourth exercise. Anyone? Very simple. Ranjana ma'am, what do you suggest? You're on mute, ma'am.
I think I feel like, unmuting two people and making them two instead of one. It will give a lot of
Okay.
more. Yeah, we can try with Sneha ma'am and Priyanka ma'am. Maybe you also can give it a try. Both of them, you all can unmute yourself and then
Yes,
try.
definitely. Okay, whenever you're ready, you can try.
So it's what we that is the bass and then the tap,
Yes.
right?
First is the bass, then tap, then snare, then tap, then bass, tap, snare, tap.
Are you able to hear? Because I'm
Can
wearing
we?
my earphones.
Yes. We can hear it, but very faintly. Try. Can you try once again?
That's 1 2 1 2, right?
Yes.
I got it right.
Yes. 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 I had someone else also trying.
Yeah, I could also hear this thing.
Yeah. Is that you, Sneha ma'am?
I was
Ah,
trying.
that's awesome. That's awesome. You can try the second one, the second exercise. 2 3 2 3. The tap snare, tap snare, tap snare, tap snare. You can try slowly. Wow. We could not exactly hear, but I could make out the concentration level.
I know.
You're okay, you have to get it right. That's awesome. Good job. Good job. Now, okay, so we are on to the main song of the evening, and that is the Believer song. I hope everyone knows this song, correct?
Imagine Dragons.
Yes, Imagine Dragons. Can anyone tell me? It is distinctively, we can make out the Believer song by its rhythm. Can anyone tell me how the rhythm goes? It's very fantastic rhythm. Anyone can unmute and answer.
Or
That's
maybe
fine.
let me just sing and show, because they'll get it what we're trying to say. Do you all just know the
Yes.
first two lines? Or just the last two lines of the chorus? You made me a believe. We all can sing that also. Yeah, I think Sneha was nodding. Sneha, why don't you try that?
Yes.
She's like, अरे गलती से मैंने कर दिया, मुझे मत पकड़ो. No, it's completely okay.
Yes,
Let's
yes.
try two
Don't
lines.
worry.
Yeah.
If you do not remember the lyrics, that is also fine. Just the tune, the
Just sing
rhythm,
it.
that is also fine. The
Yeah.
tune or the rhythm.
Yeah.
Anything, anything. Anyone?
Sneha is
Go for
recollecting.
it.
It's coming. Like, nah, you said yes, Sneha. Come on, I caught you.
I don't know the rhythm or lyrics any of these.
That's okay. Just hum the tune. That's okay. Because,
Yes, that is also
so
fine.
will tell you what is there behind that. That's the reason. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Can you repeat after me, Sneha? Can you repeat
Yeah,
after
yeah,
me?
I'll do that.
I'll do. Okay. You made me a believer. Pain, you made me a believer, believer. Yeah. Now, did you see how was the clapping going on? There was some kind of a rhythm going on behind.
Yes.
Made me a, you
Yeah,
made
you
me.
mean,
Yeah. Okay. This is
yeah.
the thing.
Okay,
And now there's
so
going to be a little slight catch. Now, which Omkar Servil is going to tell us. Yeah.
Okay.
yes, so the thing you were clapping, that's a beat, okay? But whenever we sing this song, there is one distinct thing, that's its rhythm. Tick, tick, tack, tick, 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 tack, tick, 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 tack, tick, 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 tack. Then it starts. First thing first, right? So we are going to recreate that rhythm using the pen tapping. And you can see the notes on your screen. That is 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. It is as simple as that. Okay, so it is the rhythm, the whole rhythm is divided into three parts, and we just have to loop it together. Okay, one after the other, one after the other. Now I'll just show you, and then we will try. So the rhythm goes like this. So ready, steady, ready, here I go. As simple as that. It is just in the speed. Okay, it is just in the flow, but it is as simple as you can read on your screen. Okay, so let us try. So the three parts, as you can see, first and the third part is exactly the same. Correct, it is just 1, 2, 3, right? So it is bass, tap, snare. Okay, bass, tap, snare. Can we try? Those who are trying it, just 1, 2, 3.
Y'all can actually unmute and try. We'll be able to hear it out. Y'all can
Yes,
unmute it. It's okay.
that is also fine.
Yeah, because any which is we are hearing very little, so it's absolutely fine. So please unmute yourself.
And you can try.
Yeah, Sneha, you can also unmute yourself and try. Yeah.
So, yeah.
Yes, Priyanka ma'am is doing almost correct. Almost correct. You're almost there.
Difficult because of the speed.
Huh.
Let's slow down the speed also. That's
Yeah,
also
we don't
fine.
want the
There is a
speed
category.
right now. We just need bass, tap, snare. That's it. The first three notes. Can we try? Okay, we could not hear it. Can you try once again, please?
I.
Yes, Priyanka ma'am.
This is the base, right?
Yes. Almost there. Almost there. Correct. Snare ma'am, would you like to try? By any chance, can you turn on the original sound on your Zoom screen? That will, give the correct sound, good sound. It will be on your left top screen.
Sneha will be able to do that, I guess.
It will be
What
for
I need to do?
everyone. You can turn on the original sound. It will be on top left corner on your Zoom screen. If you can do that, we can hear your sound very clearly.
But yours is screen sharing.
Okay, let it be. Let it be. We'll see it afterwards. Okay. So that was about it. The first part, we will do 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now, the second part is 1, 1, 1. Very simple. 1, 1, 1. Okay. But the rhythm in the song goes like this. Da da da. Okay. So 1, 1, 1. So, but first we'll try 1, 1, 1. Very simple. Now I believe that all of you can do it because you have been doing this, right? So now let's try the all three parts together. Okay, so now I'll do it and then you can try. So it goes like this: 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. Okay, once again, now you have to remember one thing, that after the second part, when we did 3 times 1, after that again comes the 1. Okay, so 1 actually is 4 times. So here I go once again slowly: 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. Can anyone try this? Anyone? Slowly. We don't want speed. Wow. I guess Priyanka ma'am did it.
Yeah.
No, it was Pooja.
Okay.
Ah, is it? Okay, sorry. I'm so sorry. Pooja ma'am, you can turn on the camera and you can do it. Please.
Was um, you heard it?
Yes. Almost.
Yeah. Almost.
Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Can you try once again for the last time? A little bit, but that's fine. That's fine. In 10 minutes, we are doing so much. So that's about it. That is Believer song. So that was one of the examples that you can try with the pen tapping. So on my next screen, I have few of the examples. Okay, I have few of the examples where you can try n number of. I have here. I have given only 4 examples, but you can take a screenshot, and just a second, and you can try it at home. So I'm going to just show these 4 rhythms, how they sound, how they will sound if you do it. Okay, so the first example, it is 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2. Now if you do it with the speed, so this is how it sounds. Okay, and the last one, you see there are a lot of numbers: 1 2 2 2 3 2 2 2 1 2 1 2 2 3 2 2 2. Okay, so this is a very famous rhythm. You might recollect it after listening to it. So with numbers, so this is how it goes: 1 2 2 2 3 2 2 1 2 1 2 2 3 2 2. Complicated, quite complicated, but once you get a hang of it, it is just awesome. You can just sit around, there is a stress, बहुत काम है आज, चलो ठीक है थोड़ा हो गया, you can get relaxed. Okay, so if you do it with the speed, the last one, this is how it sounds. Okay, ready, steady, here I go. So this is how it sounds. Okay, and now you can try with both hands, 2 pens, 2 hands. There are n number of possibilities that you can add on to it. So that's what all about it, and that's what from me. So thank you so much for being sporty and participating. Over to you, Ranjana ma'am.
Thank you so much, Omkar. I'm sure I guess I'm audible. Yeah. Great. Two things I'm sure, I bet on this, this is going to happen. Today, once the session ends over, the entire day festival is over, somewhere or the other, two things are going to be in your mind. By default, after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we used to do that. But somewhere you'll be realizing 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, it was coming in some of the session. First is that. And when you're using your pen, we sometimes you have a way of thinking and all. You'll be like, can I roll this pen and see, can I do this, thing? That's something which is, going to stay with you subconsciously. So simple, using a pen, we can do a lot of stuff. We just thought of doing a very popular number called Willy Walk. To conclude this session, I'm going to show you one nice performance by our very own FSM teacher based on the percussions. Now, since this is one of the very day-to-day useful material. I mean, the pen is something which we use very often regularly. I know the Excel have replaced the culture, but I still believe in the old culture of writing my things in my diary. Now, there is another performance which I'm going to show you all right now is going to again make you a little bit surprised. You all must be using your kadai pans, in your home, correct? You'll use your kadais, then a gas knob, okay? And there's going to be a cooler cover. Based on all that, one of our teacher has performed a video and he has pre-recorded the video for you all so that the sound and everything, gets a better coverage and everything. So I'm going to show you all that's a performance by our very own Sai Prakash Sen sir. Tanya ma'am, can we have the performance, please?
One second.
Yes, ma'am.
Sure. Okay, someone please confirm if you all can hear the audio once I play it, right?
Sure,
Just a
sure.
thumbs up.
Yeah, I'll do that. I'll give you a thumbs up, virtual thumbs up.
Let me just talk about what I'm using right now. I'm just using a normal cooler cover over here. Okay. On top of that, I'm using a cooking pan, a usual cooking pan. Yeah, to spice things up. And the whole idea is we're just going to find fundamental sounds like the bass and the snare. So I'm just going to play bass like this and snare like this. So let's see how things goes. Okay. I also don't know. So I'm just playing this song called The Adventure of Rain Downs by Red Hot Chili Pepper. Okay. Let's see how it goes.
Well, that was a lovely treat for you all based on all the percussion, whatever you all saw in the past 30 minutes. I hope you all liked the performance and the entire session. And I'm going to see you all soon in next some or the other occasions. So thank you so much, the entire team, for giving us this platform to showcase and give and share our musical knowledge with you all. Thank you so much, ma'am.